Hi guys, today I want to do a quick video on how to remove the grill of the brand new JBL Xtreme 2. For this removal you will only need one flat screwdriver to remove the grill and one Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. Let's start off with turning the JBL Xtreme 2 around and sticking the flat screwdriver into the gaps on the bottom where the grill is held together. Unlike with the old JBL Xtreme, there is one more big gap with a few more clips holding the grill in place in the middle of the speaker, so make sure to remove these as well. After you did that, there are two more screws on the bottom of the speaker which hold the grill itself in place. After removing both of these screws, you can already take off the grill. Make sure to not use too much force in order to not break the grill itself, but also don't be too careful as there are some more clips which you might have to remove. Just make sure to take care while doing it. And after that you are already finished and you can admire the drivers of the JBL Xtreme 2 or do some matte bass tests which are nicely clickbaited like my previous video on YouTube.